Hey everyone, Alvin here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are learning a very important concept in Python, exception handling, with a live coding example. We'll learn how to handle divide by zero errors and assertions using a simple function. So let's dive right in. Step 1. Define a function to divide two numbers. Definite DivExp a, b. Try. C is equal to AB. Return C. Accept zero division error. Print zero division error. This function tries to divide A by B. If B is 0, it catches the zero division error and prints a friendly message instead of crashing the program. Step 2. Take user input for two numbers. Print enter first number. N1 is equal to int input. Print enter the second number. N2 is equal to int input. Now we ask the user to enter two numbers from the keyboard. We'll convert them to integers using int. Step 3. Assert that N1 is greater than 0. Try. Assert N1 0. Accept assertion error. Print error, enter N1 always greater than 0. Here, we are using assert to enforce a rule: the first number must be greater than 0. If not, it raises an assertion error, and we catch it with a try-except block. Step 4. Call the division function and print the result. C is equal to DivExp, N1, N2. Print, the result is equal to C. We call our function and print the result. If there was a division by 0, we would already have seen the error message from our function. Let's run this code and try different inputs. 1. N1 is equal to 10, N2 is equal to 2 should work fine. 2. N1 is equal to 0, N2 is equal to 5 should show assertion error. 3. N1 is equal to 5, N2 is equal to 0 should show zero division error. This will help us understand how exceptions make our programs safe and user-friendly. Today you've learned how to use try-except blocks, catch specific errors like zero division error, use assert to validate input, build safer and more reliable Python programs. If this helped you, give a thumbs up sign and hit that subscribe button. See you in the next video. Keep coding.